My name is Ankita, and today's topic is memory allocation. In Java, memory is a simple word. Memory is as allocated area where one can store the series service and program. In Java, memory management is the process of allocation and deallocation of object called memory management. Java does memory management automatically. Java use an automatically memory management system called a garbage collector. Thus, we are not required to implement memory management logic in our application. Java memory management divided into two major parts: JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine Memory Structure, and second one is working of the garbage collector. First, now we will see the first Java Virtual Machine Memory structure. First, JVM create various runtime data area is in a heap. This area are used during the program execution. The memory area are destroyed when JVM exists, whereas the data area and destroyed when the thread exists. Garbage collection. There are a lot of programming language are none from that language. Some language like C and C++, the programmer of the developer is responsible for both creation and distribution of the object. Now we will see one stack memory. Stack in Java is a section of memory which contain method, local variable and reference variable. Stack memory is always reference in first out order. Local variable are created in stack. Now second one is heap memory. Heap is a section of memory which contain object and may also contain reference variable. Instance variable are created in the heap memory. The Java memory allocation is divided into following section, like first one, heap stack code static. This division of memory is required for its effective management. The code section contain your byte code. The stack section of memory contain method and local variable. The heap section contain object, may also contain reference variable. The stack section contain stack data and method. Heap memory, all parts of the application invoke the heap memory. And the second, stack memory, the stack memory execution in limited to a single thread. In heap memory, any time an object gets created, it is stored in the heap space. And in the stack memory, the only comprises its reference and local primitive variable. Third one is object here are accessible globally across the application. Other threads cannot access stack memory object. Here memory is defined according to young and old generation. In stack memory, memory management occur on a first in first out basis. In heap memory, the memory remains as per the scope of the application. In stack memory, memory is a temporary. In heap memory, the method like xmx and xms jvm are used to define the optimal size of the heap memory. In stack memory, for stack memory it gets determined by the xxs method. This is a difference between stack memory and heap memory. Now we will see the conclusion. When the method is called a frame is created on the top of stack. Once a method has complete execution, the flow of control returns to the calling method and its corresponding stack frame is fused. Local variable are created in the stack. Instance variable are created in the heap and are the part of the object they belong to. Reference variable are created in the stack memory. This is the explanation of the memory allocation in the Java. Thank you.